Have you seen this thing? The Flywoo Quick Cool vTx fan? Ah, so cool. Yeah, that's really cool. That's 100%. Good night. Well, this thing might be cool and it might be crazy and powerful, but it's $35. That's $35. I think $34.99. And I don't know about you, but I've been doing micros a long time, and I've been using derivatives of fans like this, which it can't be very much. I think I bought this at a gas station in Hawaii because I was terrible sweaty and just needed to cool down, so I've just been using it ever since. We pop over here to Amazon, just do USB fan. We got the most expensive fans to come to know mankind. Up top, of course, Amazon wants us to spend all our money. Let's go down, down, down. What is that? Whatever. Okay. $6. That one's even handier than mine. That one doesn't have a battery. Mine does have a little bit of a battery. Still kind of works. Oh, here's a desk fan that you can set stuff on. $13. Or you can get two of them. There must be different sizes. For $14. Fancy, fancy, fancy. There's two for $21, 120 millimeter. $7. How big is that? 5.5 inches. Even this one, it looks pretty fancy. It's got this flexible head, $19.99. It's 5 stars, it looks like, out of 20 reviews. So it's pretty cool. Makes a little tones that we're used to in the FPV world, and it's got this dial with an unlock button on the side. You can run 2 to 6S, but I think once you get to 4S, it only goes to like 75%, and 5S, it goes to 50%. So you can use all sorts of batteries, XT60 connection. That's why I have this little adapter, because I do micros, but it's kind of overkill, but they do have it if you want it. And because I'm already locked and loaded as far as having a fan for desk cooling, I'm going to give this away. Leave a comment down below. I'll have a picker just pick something. There'll be no results video. I'll just reach out to you.